Max, come here.
Come here.
Hold on, stand up.
Get
Now
the
stand
balloon.
up. Okay.
Get the balloon.
We're getting good.
Okay, I'm
Uh-oh.
gonna give it to mommy.
Do it again, Michael.
Alright, boy.
Wait.
Oh, sound like a little old man. Oh.
Take your time, Michael.
Ready?
Careful.
Go. Ready?
Careful.
Go.
Oh, Daddy, you gotta wait till he's standing.
Ready? Ready? Go get it. Go. Go.
Come on. Uh-oh. Try standing up and grabbing his hands. Oh, look what Daddy's got.
He stands for
Daddy has.
he stands for Alicia every time.
Here.
Go. No, wrong way. No. Don't you dare.
Big balloony.
Oh.
I think he's getting his leg Oscar.
He's grabbing. Come here. Throw it to
Good
me.
job.
Throw it to me.
Go get the balloon, Michael.
Michael,
Ready?
look what I got. Whoa,
Look
look
what
what I got. Look what I got. Aw, you fell.
for Daddy.
He doesn't do it for me either.
Come on.
Ready? Go. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go.
Don't hold on to his arms. Hold on to his shirt. The back of his shirt. Because when you hold on to his arms, he's like, oh, I don't have to do anything. Daddy's got me. Come here.
He does it for Alicia every time.
All right, ready?
Michael, balloon? Balloon?
Hey,
Michael,
make a liar out of me. Max, come on. You're like the Action News Cam.
Balloon.
Where are you going?
Shortcut? Is that a shortcut?
Right way.
Is that a shortcut?
It's you.
Come here, Michael. 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 Balloon?
Ow.
Okay, I think he's getting tired.
Getting tired?
Oh God. Michael.
Get the balloon?
Oh.
Yay!
Almost.
You get the balloon.